The Plus series controllers can be selected for either on-off control or PID control. The factory default setting is for PID control. The choice for either on-off or PID control and the parameter settings are found in the setup menu. From the normal operating mode, to get into setup, press the up and the scroll key together. On the bottom is display is select, on the top at the moment is operation. Press the up arrow till we get setup on the top, SETP. Press the scroll. The unlock code for the setup menu, the factory default is 10. Press the scroll. We're now into the setup menu. Press the scroll key until we get to PB-P. This is the proportional bands setting for the primary output. The factory default for the controllers is for PID control. So the factory default is proportional band, integral and derivative. If we want just only on-off control, bring the PB down from 10 to 0. This turns off the PID control and we're now in on-off control. Press the scroll key and we have a differential term introduced. Now this is a band around the set point and it's a percentage of the input span. The maximum differential we can have is 10 and the minimum is 0.1. So for example, if I had a differential of 10, this gives me 5% of the input span either side of the set point. When the controller leaves the factory, the default is for PID control. The settings, the parameter settings, are in the setup menu. So, entering that menu, the proportional band for the primary output is 10%. That's the factory default. Now this is 10% of the input span. So it's 5% either side of the set point. It's a proportional band around the set point. The integral action time, the factory default is 5 minutes and the derivative action time is 1.15 minutes, 1 minute 15 seconds. If you want to turn off any of these settings, for example you might want just proportional control, then you'd have to turn off the integral action time and also derivative action time. To turn off the integral, the range of the integral action time is from 1 second up to 99 minutes 59 seconds. To turn off integral action, go up until you reach a setting that's blank. It's 99.59 and then one more press after that. So up we go. .59, that is the maximum value for integral action time you can have. Press it again and you have a blank screen. That has turned off integral action. Quite often we have situations where a customer thinks that going to 0.01 minimum value for integral action time turns it off. That's not the case. The integral action time will still have a value. To turn it off completely, you must go beyond 99 minutes 59 seconds to the blank screen and that's how you turn off integral action. For derivative action time, the factory default is 1 minute 15 seconds. Go down until you reach 0, and that turns this off.